Good morning to everybody. Now we will continue today's social lesson, Asia and Europe, part 2. Let's begin today's lesson, Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in size and the third largest in population in the world. It is the birthplace of Western civilizations. It extends from 34 degree 51 dash north to 81 degree 47 dash north latitudes. That is from the subtropical region to the polar region. So, Europe is located at the center of the earth. Surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north, the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea in the south, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Ural Mountains in the east, it looks like a giant peninsula. Europe has four physical divisions: the Northwestern Highlands, the Central Plateaus, the Alpine Mountain System, the North European Plains. So, Europe can be divided into four major landform regions: Northwest Highlands, Northern European Plain, Central Uplands, Alpine Mountain System. First one, Northwest Highlands. The Northwestern Highlands includes mountains and plateaus of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Scotland, and Iceland. A fjord is a narrow and deep sea inlet between steep cliffs. It helps two waves. First one, it reduces the speed of wind irrespective of its direction. Second one, the force of sea waves are also controlled. Hence, areas with fjords are best suited for natural harbors. The Central Plateaus are found in east-west direction across Central Europe. The important plateaus of this region are the Pennines, the Meseta, the Central Massif, and Jura. The flag forest in this region has rich mineral resources. The Pennines is called the backbone of England. The Alpine mountain system consists of a chain of n-fold mountains found in the southern part of Europe. The important mountain ranges are the Sierra Nevada, the Pyrenees, the Alps, the Apennines, the Dinaric Alps, the Caucasus, and the Carpathian. The Pyrenees forms a natural boundary between Spain and France. There are several active volcanoes found in the Alpine mountain system. Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, and Mount Stromboli are the important volcanoes found in Europe. Earthquakes are common in this region. The Stromboli is called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. The North European plain stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Ural Mountains in the east. The rivers play an important role in the development of Europe. The Volga is the longest river in Europe. The river Danube passes through 10 countries in this continent. Europe lies largely in temperate zone. It enjoys the distinctive Mediterranean type of climate. Southern Europe receives winter rainfall. The natural vegetation of Europe can be classified into 5 categories. There are tundra, taiga or coniferous, mixed forest, Mediterranean forest, and grassland. Pine, fir, spruce, and larch are the important trees varieties of taiga forest. The mixed forest consists of rich peach, poplar, oak and maple trees. Trees like cypress, cork, oak, olive and cedar are found along the borders of the Mediterranean Sea. Europe is an industrially developed continent in the world. The agricultural activities include Mediterranean agriculture, dairy farming, mixed livestock, grape farming, and horticulture. Industrial crops like flax, hemp, sugar beet, and sunflower seeds are produced here. Christianity is the major religion in Europe, but people belonging to other religions are spread throughout Europe. Bread, fish, meat, potatoes, and dairy products are the staple food in Europe. The Europeans celebrate both religious and holiday festivals. There are no deserts in Europe. A majority of people in Europe are involved in secondary and tertiary activities.